This is our CNC laser cutting machines, and we usually use 2.5 to 3 high-strength steel plate to form our excavator structure. And this is our full automatic welding robot, and we use the full automatic welding to keep the welding quality of our structures. This is our excavator assembling workshop, and over here you can see our raw material and the parts stock for assembly. Here you can see the various sizes of hydraulic cylinders for our excavator. This is our stock for engines. Usually we use the Chinese top brand engine and also the world famous engine brand. And you will see this high efficiency engine over here. This is our undercarriage assembly line, and we will start from here. This undercarriage frame is very solid, and after we assemble the axis, the gearbox, and the hydraulic pump, and the front axis, and we get this assembly turned up by this undercarriage turning platform. Here is the frame assembly line, so you will see all the parts, including the cabs, which over the frame will be assembled here. After separate assembly, the frame and the undercarriage will meet here and put together, you will see. Here is our modernized painting workshop, and all the beautiful colors of our excavators are being painted here. Let's go and have a look. Outside the painting room, you will see all this environmental protection equipment. It makes sure that our painting are without any pollution to the environment.